Children, now let's move on to the word problems, right? What is the first one trying to say over here? Rupees 1000 is invested at 10% simple interest. So 1000 becomes my principal, rate of interest is 10%. Check at the end of every year. Check at the end of every year if the total interest amount is in AP. If this is an AP, then find the interest amount after 20 years. Now, why did I emphasize on the word amount? There are many who must be thinking that this belongs to, this sum belongs to SN. That means I need to find out sum of. No, children, this is a sum of TN. Right? So we'll understand the language, but part by part is what we'll try to solve, and then I'll make you understand this sum is no longer an SN ka sum. This is a sum of TN. For us, 1000 is principal, rate of interest is 10%, is a irrelevant data, not important data when it comes to AP, but yes, certainly a strong data when it comes to simple interest. For an AP, 1000 and 10% are irrelevant data. This 1000 is not my A. It is nothing when it comes to AP, but yes, for simple interest, it is. So what is the principal? Let me start my solution as principal P is 1000. What is rate of interest? Rate of interest is 10%. So what is the formula for SI? So formula for SI is PRT upon 100 or PRN upon 100. Both are one and the same. So I shall say SI, simple interest, for, or you can say after first year. Simple interest after first year is PRN by 100. You can also say PRT by 100 also. No problem. So what is P? P is 1000. R is 10. Number of years 1. What is the answer? 100 rupees. This is after first year. What is SI? After second year. So N is going to be 2. Nothing other than that. So P R N, I'm not writing the formula once again. So P this time is 1000. In fact, P is going to be 1000. R is 10. N is going to be 2 by 100. What is the answer? 200. This is after first year. This is after second year. Let me check one more. SI after third year is 1000 into 10 into 3 by 100. What is the answer going to be? What is the answer going to be? Answer is 300. So this is after 3 years. This is after 3 years. I'm sorry, it is 100 into 3, 300. What next? I need to check at the end of every year. So I have done, they are there for 20 years, but I've done at least the first 3. What is the difference? 200 minus 100. 100, 300 minus 200. 100. The interest forms an AP with, what is the first term? A equals to 100 and D equals to 300 minus 200, 100. 200 minus 100, 100. Difference is constant, which is, so the interest forms an AP, with A is equals to 100, D is equals to 100. By the way, what am I supposed to find out, children? I think so I'm done with you till this particular step. Find the total interest amount is in AP. So interest is in AP. If this is an AP, then find interest amount after 20 years. Interest amount they are asking. They are asking interest amount, right? That means T20 is what am I supposed to find out? Am I supposed to find out T20? That's what it is. Using Tn, A plus n minus 1 D. A, so T20 with my A n as 20, T20 A is 100, 20 minus 1, D is also 100, A 100, D 100. 100 plus 19 into 100, answer is 2000. So what is the final answer? Find the interest amount, not the actual sum. Find the interest amount. Find the interest amount. Therefore, the interest amount after 20 years is rupees 2000. Right?